Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. I am super excited to share another makeup tutorial with you guys. I recently purchased the ItsMyRayeRaye palettes. The colors really intrigued me when I was at the store, so it had to come home. In today's video, I am demonstrating how to create this cute look from this palette. There are no sponsors for this video. Subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel so that you can see more videos on how to use different palettes. Okay, let me show you what this palette looks like. I like how they constructed it. It's definitely unique. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As usual, I did my eyebrows off camera already. First, we are priming our eyelids. The first eyeshadow that I'm using from this palette is called Spice. My first impression of Spice is that Spice is not pigmented at all. Like, I literally put 5 layers of eyeshadow on my eyelid in order to see the color on my skin, and it was not showing up for nothing. So I've applied a lot of this eyeshadow in my crease and above my crease. The next eyeshadow that I am using is Sunset, and I'm placing this specifically in my crease. Ooh, this palette had me a little bit nervous. Sunset has better pigment, thank goodness. Now I am placing Control Freak in my outer V. And as far as the pigmentation on Control Freak, it's not that bad. You know, it's a light brown. I kind of was wishing that it was a little bit darker, but it's not really showing up all that dark on my skin. But that's okay. I'm still liking what the result is from using this color. The next eyeshadow that I'm going to use is named Tiffany. I already know that this palette is a little sketchy on pigmentation, and since this appears to be a metallic shimmery color, I'm going to use this makeup setting spray to help make the color stand out more on my eyelids. So anyways, I'm placing this eyeshadow on my eyelid only. I'm not putting it on the entire eyelid, just about 3/4 of my eyelid. So now on the 1/4 of my eyelid that I didn't place Tiffany on, which is my V area, I'm going to place Control Freak in that area and blend it in with a little bit of where I put Tiffany at. Now I'm just applying eyeliner. Sometimes I like to use tape to help guide me when I'm eyelining my eyes. This e.l.f. brush makes eyelining my eyes so much easier, so I don't even need tape. Once I am done eyelining my eyes, I'm going to apply false eyelashes off camera. Now applying foundation primer to my face, then I'm going to apply color corrector as well. This orange color corrector helps negate the dark circles underneath my eyes as well as any other places that are dark on my face. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the color corrector into my skin. Now fast forwarding through applying my foundation. You already know what's next, highlighting and contouring the face. Is now blending in that highlight we applied on our face. I like to highlight my face, then contour. One day I will do reverse contouring and I will record it. So it should be interesting doing a video on my first time reverse highlighting and contouring my face. Stay tuned. Another new purchase that I made was purchasing this Makeup Revolution banana powder. Definitely in the future when I use this banana powder again, I will A, use less, B, mix it with a darker powder, and C, only put it on my cheekbones. See, I learned real quick after application that this banana powder is showing up more like a white powder on my skin. But that's okay, I'm pushing it into my skin and it'll blend in, I promise. Now going right into contouring my face, I'm going to use this mocha contour shade on my cheekbones and on my forehead, you know, basically on the areas where I want to contour and put color back into my skin. I know I might look a little bit scary right now, but that's okay. Trust the process. Trust the process, my friend. Trust the process. Okay, so now just blending in everything. So on the It's My Ray Ray palette, she technically gave us 3 contour shades, but I would only be able to use 2 of the colors to contour my face. And this next color is named Brownie Bite. Boy, was I scared to use this color because it's pretty dark, and I'm surprised that she even incorporated this in this palette. Like, this contour shade is really dark, so I know I look scared trying to put it on because I didn't want to put too much, because if I put too much it might ruin everything. So definitely take your time while using this color because as you can see, it is pigmented. Okay, you know, it caught me off guard. I am a little surprised how nice Brownie Bite turned out on my skin. It actually warmed up my face very nice. Much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.